Hi guys, RD here from Pro Traders Network, and we're going to take a look today at Airbnb on the daily time frame. So as you guys know, Airbnb is a platform basically providing services to people who are looking for accommodation on a short-term basis, right? So basically this stock has actually been hit by the pandemic, and however guys, with the reopening of the economy theme, we might see actually the Airbnb benefiting from the growth of the economy in recent times in Q1 and Q2 of this year, and in Q3 right now. Yes, we might be, some economies might actually be still handling the problems, the issues of the Delta variant. In fact, most countries are. Some are actually more successful than others, and therefore we have an economy across the globe basically which is quite uneven. But for the US basically, with lesser lockdowns, Airbnb has basically benefited from it, and recent revenues reports have actually, earnings reports have actually been quite encouraging, right? So looking at the charts guys, basically that's what I do. I actually prefer to actually look at the charts, and because no one can actually hide anything here, and we basically just need to actually look at the points where it's critical for us and to actually look at, and as well as some setups that might actually come up as this particular stock benefit from the reopening of most economies around the world. Alright, so let's just look at the main key points that has developed over the past couple of weeks. And we know that basically Airbnb did reach a high of around the $220 level, but that particular zone basically is a major resistance at this point, and it formed actually another lower swing high at around the $211 level, after which it proceeded to actually continue to have lower swing highs and lower swing lows, which actually meant that we have a rollover, a downtrend for that particular period from 17th February this year all the way till 20th of May this year, right? So what has Airbnb done after that? We saw that price basically started to move sideways, right? And when it reached this point here guys, around the $152.80 level, it starts to roll over, test its support level at around the $130 level, which also coincides with this level here, around which actually was reached around the 15th December last year. So after which we saw that price actually continue to retest this resistance point at 152, interestingly. And however guys, we saw that this level here around 141 seems to be a support level, which led to actually the price moving to the upside. And if we actually take this as a swing low, this is a higher swing low, which indicates to us that the bulls might have just come into the picture, right? So guys, where is price going to next, right? That's what we are going to look at here. Let me just clear the chart from the marking so that you can have a clearer picture of Airbnb, right? So I just did actually draw this particular triangle here in blue, which indicates basically this is the the width of the range basically, and I do an extrapolation here. I just clone this here and actually bring this up, and I believe that the next level to the upside could be the 0.5 level, which is a fib level, which is at around the 174.94 level. So price is now at around 163, sorry, and if it moves to 174, that's an upside about $10. That's about just about 3 to 4% to the upside from current levels, right? So the good thing is that price have actually also broke above this particular resistance, slanting resistance, which is a good sign, right? And it is also trading above the 9 exponential moving average, depicted as this blue line over here. So guys, we have the upside at nearest upside at this point, and if let's say it manages to actually go above that, break above that, we might have the next level of resistance at the 618 Fibonacci level at around the 185.55, right? So you can actually draw a slanting line here, right, and actually extrapolate this as well, and actually put it somewhere here, all right, at this point here. And well, that shows that basically price could actually hit some resistance at this level, which coincides with the 61.8. So 185.55 is our second level to beat. First is of course the 0.5 fib level, which is at the 7494, and the second target is around the 18555, after which of course we have higher resistance levels basically near to this zone here, which acted basically as a major resistance point, right? So on the downside, just in case, right, if let's say price decides to actually break below the 9th exponential moving average, we have this area here acting as support, and the next support, major support, is at this level, right? Anything can happen in the market, guys, and we go day by day. We take a look at the charts and see what it is giving us. So at this point, guys, it's still looking bullish, and the structure is still bullish. So at this point, guys, I think that Airbnb has more upside to actually go with bullish momentum. And of course, I'm not a financial advisor. What we have here is for educational purposes and entertainment purposes only. However, guys, if you like the videos that we have been making, do actually click the like button and subscribe to our channel. I appreciate it a lot that you actually join us in our videos, and basically this is my opinion on the market. And of course, I try to actually do a lot of research before I actually choose the stocks or the financial assets that I would like to actually share in the videos that we present in Pro Traders Network. So guys, thank you very much for actually joining me today, and hopefully you have a great day ahead. And also, of course, trade and invest wisely. Do not trade without a plan, and always have a risk management strategy in place, right? So all the best, guys, and hope to see you in our next video. RD signing out.